Hi guys, this is Danny from Cupcakes Gourmet. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna learn how to make those little names like letters or ages or numbers or things like that for the unicorn party. Before you start, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you can find my videos, because they're not gonna just show up on your homepage anymore. And all my social media is up there, so you don't need to worry about it. To start, we're gonna start with any purple, like more like a pastel purple than you have. I got these letters, Michael's, and I'm writing the name Angelina for my friend. But you can use, even if you don't want to use a name, you can use just the number. If she's 1 or 2, you've been turning 2, things like that. You can use that. And then I use the more pastel green. I had it, and then we're gonna go with the yellow, and you're gonna go like successively. So you do yellow and then you do green. I use purple and green, yellow, blue and pink. And if you need more colors on the top, you're just gonna repeat the colors. You don't need to worry about making them look perfectly sized or the same perfect width, because when you have a rainbow, you can kind of just do the ombre colors and go up, up, up. And then if you, like, I went to the pink and now I don't have any more, so I go back to the purple. And that's how we're going to do. And so I'm using 2 of the letters of her name. Then there's a space out, because since Angelina is a very long name, so I'm trying to make the letters be far away from each other and make different types of the letters. So when you put on the table for the cake, it looks super cute. And always, when you're making the top, don't forget to make the sides too. The back, you don't need to worry about it. But if you want it, you can also, color the back, paint the back. So we have 2 letters and the rainbow, ombre kind of color. And now, with the other 2 letters, I'm just going to put a little glue. I stripe glue on the bottom. Can be glue or Mod Podge, whatever you want. I will Mod Podge on the top. Just be sure then the glitter gonna be there, and you're just gonna make a stripe. The other 2 letters, I am going to cover the whole thing with glue or Mod Podge, whatever you have at home, and I'm gonna put the glitter all over. So if you're not using Mod Podge, you're using glue like I did, you just put it once, and then you cover the whole glitter. Get the excess off. Always use a piece of paper on the bottom, so you can just gather your glitter and put it back on the bottom, so you don't need to lose all that. And just check if you need to do it again, because normally you're not gonna cover everything, or some of the little pieces at the edges you're gonna need a little bit more glitter. So just check if you need it. You just put a little bit more glue and you repeat the process. Just like that. That was some pieces. Then I thought I didn't cover as well, so you can just cover, put a little glue, and then you're perfect, good to go. So now with the other 2 letters that we're missing, as you can see in the beginning of the video, all the letters together, I am going to do a really officially ombre with pink. I had a bunch of different tones of glitter and pink, so I'm gonna use the dark one on the bottom. And yes, I'm not mixing it up then to put it back in the bottles, but you don't need to. You can always mix them up. I put the light pink, and I'm putting the white or clear on the top, just to make it look even more delicate and to have different types of letters between the name. And now I'm just folding a piece of paper. We're gonna cut it a ear. Then you can measure with your letters, so you don't need to make too big or too small. So measure your letters. You're gonna fold the bottom, because that's where we're gonna glue it. So you put them together and you fold them together, so you know that they're gonna be exactly the same size. I put a little gold in the middle of the ears, and I'm just cutting the horn, and then we're gonna just glue up right there. I normally just put 1 letter with the horn, 1 letter being the unicorn, and the other letters just having more like flowers or details like that. So, and then this little flowers, I'm gonna just leave up here for you guys. I have a video on how to make them, and they are very easy. And now the other letters, then I had the same little gold stripe on the bottom like the unicorn one. I'm just gonna place some flowers, and the end, I'm just gonna put flowers in one side, and I can use the petal from these flowers, hearts, as you can see in the video. So I'm just gonna put a little heart there, just just to give even more details and a pop of color. And that's this. Here's the whole name. You can see that they are not together. The one they are the same, and some little details of the unicorn party that I helped my friend to decorate and to celebrate little Princess Angelina. I hope you guys like this video and you can get a lot of ideas. And if you see anything that you want to learn or want to know how to do it, there's balloon art that now is not super perfect and looks really good, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that before, and give me a little thumbs up if you like this video, because it really helps me a lot. All the information, links, everything is under the show more. You can just check it out, like balloon sizes, things like that. If you want it, I will leave there, and leave me a comment so I can dedicate a video to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I talk to you guys pretty soon. Bye.